갖춰진 문을 박차고 Bring it on tonight 마지막까지 멈추지.
Eunice, come back. It's our girls. Our girls are back.
Ganda ng background, no? Fit for,
Hey.
fit for today's video.
Lugi. Bakit may background? Ako, nasa Fantasy Land. But anyway, our girls are back with a new mini album. There's a few side tracks that I've been wanting to listen to. Just about an hour ago, I think they released a live stage from SBS MTV The Show. So, we'll try to react to that. Tingnan natin kung makakat o hindi kasi, copyright and she's. Pero, ayun, we'll see. So, we still haven't moved on from seeing Eunice perform live and attend the fan meeting. So, both me and Maverick went to the fan meeting. And ayan, so super duper thumbs up, satisfied seeing Eunice live. Girls are really, really down to earth, angelic, everyone's nice, everyone's talented. So, ayan, Pinoy Pride, matik.
Babalik kaya sila?
Bias talk dito?
Bias talk pa ba?
Na. Pero, Elinana, game?
Hindi, yun hakot ako, Pororo.
Teka lang, ba't nagbabago yung listahan mo?
Nadagdagan lang. Di bago
Cancer
yun.
naman.
Nadagdagan lang.
Now that you mentioned it, Kotoko,
Get well
we
soon.
just saw what happened a couple of days ago. Pero, she said she's already fine. So, parang nag-post siya sa Weavers. Yung may message siya na okay na daw siya. Parang lang a day or two after. Nasa na bigla, Idol Star Athletics. So, parang si ate mo, feel ko kailangan magpataba ni Kotoko. Medyo parang hindi pa siya used to strenuous activities, continuous, yung parang idol
Hindi, parang init
stuff
lang
and
yan.
everything.
Parang nainitan lang yan.
Pwede rin, mainit kasi sa Korea nowadays, summer sa kanila, so possible, tama ka rin. Ayun, so pwede, fatigue, gutom. Di ko alam yung may clip si Sowon, yung gumagano siya, parang nagkukunwaring hinimatay. Di ko alam kung dinodog show ba niya si Kotoko doon. Sira ulo.
Sira ulo
Pero ayun.
bata to.
Pero ayan, music video was out an hour ago. We're both ready. Z,
Let's go!
let's go. Curious. Ang angas naman ng beat nung pinapakinggan ni Jelly. Da. What the hell is this? Ni Yuna.
Uy! Teka lang!
Uy! Ano? Kanim ko na. Pre-chorus. Yun pala yung ginagawa nila.
Nakakatuwa. Parang walang filter.
Yun na yung chorus?
Parang yun nata yung chorus.
T-shirts nila. Okay. This tumbling. Aronaya?
눈부시잖아 I'm like a star 너만 몰라 너만 몰라 I want to be the one 왜 나만 몰라 왜 나만 몰라
Yung ni Jelly, ba't ako auto-tune?
왜 나만 몰라 But I'm confused 나도 몰라 날 difficult world I'm not afraid Just trust myself 빛날 테니까 And I will show the real to you ever after
Ay, may fandom siya.
나만 몰라 왜 나만 몰라 왜 나만 몰라 왜 나만 몰라
Mola. Eh. Okay. Legit ba yun? Mas matangkad na si Sawan kay Ellie. Ala ka. Magkawa yan eh.
Panalo! Ang bias
What the?
this.
Eh, pag MC hiwalay.
왜 나만 몰라
Kunwari ang tangkad na ni Sawan. Legit ba yun? Eh,
Ang kulit. Ang kulit ang intro mga kasi.
sundan Yeonju ah.
서둘러야 긁어선다봐 I'm so curious 겁이 나서 내 같은 건 나일 수 있잖아 Open up door come out 여기서 I know I wanna I know you wanna
Okay.
어렸던 어제는 지났어 Let's go Why not 우라를 떨쳐내 두꺼워 You and I Story 갖춰진
Sweet ng pre-chorus eh. Alicia Kotoko.
같이 멈추지 말고 달려가 I'm gonna go the most 너만 몰라 정말 몰라 I want to be the one 바로 나야 바로 나야 Do I
Baru na ya.
깊이 숨겨놓은 날 보여봐 눈부시잖아 I'm like a star 너만 몰라 I want to be the one
Ang ganda nung hair ni Sowon.
몰라
Hmm.
왜 나만 몰라 New classic
Medyo hindi yun yung in-expect kong chorus. Parang
Plus classic 딱 보면 참 날걸 The reason why I'm chosen You
Actually, hindi nga ito in-expect kong comeback nila eh.
kasi parang hindi siya bubbly, hindi siya lively. More on parang chic rockstar type concept. Maski yung tunog eh. Parang rock band eh.
Hindi mo siya expect sa mga bagong girl group na magka-comeback lang. Parang second comeback.
Kit ni Kotoko ha. Parang hindi nag-bounce yung ulo kailan lang ha. Ulit tong part na yun, parang auto-tune. Auto-tune ba? Parang tunog auto-tune eh.
Baka may reverb.
Pwede.
Or baka in-edit lang ng kaunti.
Hey, fandom shoutout. Hey, kid. So, okay. Teka lang.
Uy, Pinoy! Pinoy line!
Pinoy na rin si,
Pinoy.
si Bang yan.
Pinoy
Oh,
din
Pinoy na
yan.
lahat.
Pinoy line.
Oh, lahat to?
Or baka
Lahat
kasi
and
ano?
Perry? Oh, lahat nga.
Lahat nga. Or baka kasi ano, comeback. Hey, ba't lang ganun?
Eh. Ay,
Ay, may paturo si ate girl.
aking ka-BJ, sabi niya. Usually, if we look at rookie groups, parang the way they release comebacks, concepts, and such, parang hindi ito yung magiging atake eh. Kasi parang they go for that pop-ish, bubbly.
They played safe. Parang ganun.
Pwedeng they played safe, pero at the same time kasi yun yung i-expect mo coming out from a young group, parang fresh type, so parang ganun. Etong comeback nila, I'm not saying that it doesn't look fresh. It is fresh to the eye kasi parang bagong concept. Pero parang hindi siya yung the usual. Parang it's not the typical comeback. So parang ang atake kasi nila dito is more on chick type concept, rockstar rocky concept. So parang even the use of the instruments, background music and everything, parang yung electric guitar. Ayun. So parang okay naman. I'm not saying that it's my cup of tea. I may need a couple of listens before it, completely marinates with the whole music and stuff. Pero okay naman. Visually pleasing. Siguro mahal lang talaga natin yung Eunice and na-miss ko lang sila. And talagang hungry lang tayo for
More.
contents and para lang makita yung Eunice. Pero okay naman. And I'm happy seeing them like well and everything. Pero syempre, I'm thinking that this music video was probably filmed like months or weeks ago. So parang, ayun, okay naman makita. I'm happy to seeing some of their like natural hair and stuff. Pero, ayun, excited to see the other releases. Excited to listen to other songs from the album. Curious, siguro, I'm not saying na parang it's already way up there for me. Siguro like 6 or 7 out of 10 for now. It may be higher after some time na napakinggan ko na siya and paulit-ulit na. Pero ayun, I just really miss the girls. I love seeing them back again. Excited to see how Weekly Idol will be tomorrow since tomorrow yung Weekly Idol nila release. So ayun. Ikaw?
Sa akin, hindi ko parang gusto kong nag-hope ako na maganda banger yung kanta. Pero same sentiment sa'yo, baka kailan ko pa ng ilang listen to fully appreciate yung comeback song nila. For song-wise, same lang, 6 out of 10. Parang nakukulangan ako dun sa part nung chorus. Parang there's something lacking since ito nga yung concept na gusto nila, which medyo may di ko ma-point out kung ano yung gusto kong naglalak sa akin para tumaas yung rating ng song-wise. Pero overall, it's a good concept naman na they're trying something new since ito yung first comeback nila, tapos hindi, para sa akin sa point of view ko, hindi sila nag-play it safe kasi yung first,
so parang nag-experiment sila ganun.
kasi 'di ba yung first nila parang medyo safe, hindi naman safe pero may pagka-experiment din yung kanilang debut song, which is good, which is natripan ko talaga at first listen MV wise, ang masasabi ko na sa MV wise, it's a 8 out of 10 kasi nakita ko most of the time walang filter yung nila, yung MV nila na yun. Yung kung ano yung kulay nila dun sa MV, yun yung kulay nila in real life. Ang puti ni
sinuot din nila yung mga nasa teaser nila. Like yung
Ah.
shirt, yung next chapter, I wanna be the one. You are the one!
You were the one. You were the
What
chosen
do you
one.
mean? You've always been the one. Pero ayun.
Diba? Parang yun talaga yung kanilang natural skin color which I appreciate na kasi most of the time yung mga MV na napapanood natin medyo masyadong maputi or masyadong diba? Filtered.
Mm-mm.
So it's nice to see na yun yung kanilang natural beauty is nasa-showcase.
Okay.
Pwera na lang kay kay Oyun na ang puti pa rin kahit walang filter na yung ano.
Wait,
Puti.
oo.
Ang
Maputi. Sino bang pinakamaputi? I think either Kotoko, Elisha, or siguro Oyun na rin. Siguro yung tatlong yun, maputi sila.
Pero sa MV parang si Oyun ay pinakamaputi kasi medyo tan sila sila Elisha tsaka Koto. Pero yun
Ayun
nga.
lang.
Next papakinggan ko yung B-side. Mukhang promising din. Hindi ko pinakinggan yung teaser eh. Yung mga kanta nila doon.
Ay talaga, ako
Oo.
pinakinggan ko yun.
Wala.
Parang may ibang maganda eh. Tapos nakita ko rin yung isang side track nila. So parang, malay mo, baka maganda yung like Poppin', other songs. So
I'm going in blind doon.
we'll listen to it later.
Later. Yun.
Hey.
Yun lang thoughts ko. Sana
Okay, okay na yun.
sana bumalik sila.
Sana nga, hopefully,
Bumalik sila.
maging part ulit tayo ng album showcase or fan meet.
Yohon. Okay na.